Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a wastegate spring. First, gather all your tools, including a set of wrenches, pliers, and a spring compressor, which will make the job much easier. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before starting any work, and safely support your vehicle on jack stands. Next, locate the wastegate actuator on your turbocharger and identify the spring you intend to replace. Now let's get that old spring out. Begin by carefully disconnecting any vacuum hoses or linkages that are attached to the wastegate actuator. This provides clear access and prevents damage. Next, if you have a spring compressor, use it to safely relieve the tension on the existing spring. This is a crucial safety step. Finally, remove any retaining clips or bolts that secure the spring in place, allowing for its removal. With the old spring removed, it's time for the new one. First, ensure you have selected the correct spring for your desired boost pressure. Consult your turbocharger's specifications. Carefully compress the new spring using your compressor and position it correctly within the wastegate actuator. Once aligned, reattach all retaining clips and bolts, making sure they are secure. Finally, reconnect any hoses or linkages you previously removed. Before you hit the road, perform a thorough final check. Double-check all connections, ensuring every bolt and clip is secure, and confirm no tools are left in the engine bay. Start the engine and listen carefully for any unusual sounds or air leaks around the wastegate area. This ensures everything is functioning correctly. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Remember, proper maintenance keeps your vehicle running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.